Hello guys, good morning. It's me, Richard Mechanic Vlog. So guys, meron tayong titignan dito sa may sa kaibigan ko. Binibenta sa akin na meron daw siya mga binibenta na motor. Itong Yamaha. Meron siyang Yamaha sa Honda na scooter. Titignan natin guys. Okay? Ito guys ang binibenta sa akin kung gusto ko daw. Ito ay Yamaha Majesty na 250cc. Nice. Yan. Napakalaki. Itong natakbo niya 26,000 kilometers. Guys, umaandar to. Pero paano mo ipapadala sa Pinas yan? Napakalaki. Oh. 250cc Yamaha Majesty. Gumagana to guys. May tambak lang sa yung may-ari, binenta na lang 4 years na hindi nagana. Nasa garahe lang. Okay guys. Yan guys, tignan natin yung mga ibang binibenta. So hindi tayo ulit sa may Patriot Bike Repairs. Okay. Yung mga binibenta guys, oh, 4 wheels. Ito Yamaha Gear, ibenta yan. Yamaha Gear 2018 model, 50cc lang ata yan guys. Yan, Honda Dio. Ito naman tangke guys, oh. Paano may papadala sa Pinas ngayon? Oh, ha? What's this? So guys, so pasok tayo sa loob. Patriot Mechanic. So guys, yung mga binibenta sa akin, ito generator. Pag dito generator, dalawang generator mo. Yun, generator, dalawa yan binibenta. So, pwede natin bilhin lahat yan tayo ipadala dyan sa Pinas. Ay. Ito naman guys yung yung Honda CR 250. Tinatanggal ko yung yung magneto sa kasi wala tayong pantanggal eh. Ayan mga binibenta guys. Ito mayroon tayong dito Suzuki RMZ 450. Ay, pasok tayo sa may-ari. Hi Shahid! How are you? See, this one is my friend, Mr. Shahid. He's the owner, mechanic.
Only thing.
Everything inside this owner. Yes.
Owner.
Owner. Yeah. So we are here inside the office, okay, of Mr. Shahid. See, if you are looking for oils, batteries, parts, filters. Okay, what you have here inside, Shahid?
All parts have.
All parts.
Even no problem.
Scooters.
Four-wheel bike, ATV bike.
ATV bikes.
Two-wheel bike. All.
Okay, see the belts, handlebars, filters. We'll start here in oil. You need oils, castrol, pistons, filters, batteries. See, we have batteries, carburetors. This one for ATV, CCTV. Yeah, CCTV. All is for dirt bikes. You know, this grip, the grip, gloves. See, I want this one. I will buy this one. I will put on my motorcycle. Okay, Pro Taper. See, cylinder. I think this one is 50cc. And this one, oh, big bore.
150cc.
150cc. DU90. This one DU90.
Yeah, DU90. No, inside standard DU90.
Oh,
2-stroke.
2-stroke. Hey guys, and also What else you have? Okay, we'll go, Mr. Shahid, we will go inside. Outside and see what you have. So these guys, this is the inside part of the office of Mr. Shahid. Let's see outside. White color, Gixxer. Oh my God, all white, all white. And the RNZ 450. You have all of all 4 wheels. It's all 4 wheels. Banshee, Suzuki. Yes, and this is also a scooter. This is a Yamaha gear. Your Honda Jug, Honda DU2, XTR, MTX, Honda MTX 80 CCR. Right. So guys, if you want some 4 wheels ATVs, punta lang kayo dito guys. Ito. This Banshee. This is Banshee engine. Okay. Shahid, you have Banshee engine? Banshee engine? Too much looking this Banshee engine. Yeah, because they are using for racing. No Banshee? Oh, guys, wala silang Banshee. Yung mga naghanap ng Banshee. Okay. Guys, yung mga binibenta. Meron akong gustong bilhin dito. Kaso, yan. Ito. Kayo. So guys, karamihan dito 4 wheel. Karamihan. Ito yung ginagawa niyang Banshee. Banshee engine. So mahirap ipadala guys. If itong mga 4 wheel, 4 na karton to. 4 na karton. Okay guys, hanggang dito lang siguro yung video natin. I-update ko lang kayo kasi ikutin natin kung ano yung mga binibenta dito. Doble, yan, 4 wheels. Okay. Yan, binibenta yan. Kung malapit lang yung Pinas talo natin lahat yan. Yan kasi yan, Solaris. Yan guys, chassis lang, walang makina. Raptor. Yan. Nice. Ito Cobra. Yan. Walang makina. Ito ang electric bike. Bike, Honda lead. Guys, Honda lead. Tambak lang dito. Ito yung Honda Forester na to. Yan, mga binibenta yan guys. Yan. Lawnmower. Ito si binibenta sa akin. Bigyan nyo yung presyo nyo. Presyo nyo at ipapadala ko. Ito. Right. So guys, nandito tayo. Ito yung shop niya kung gusto nyo bumili. Right. Yung gamit niya.
খারাপ এগুলো খুব খারাপ এগুলো তোমার মেয়ের উপরে যাবে আদা বুঝছো না
Marami pa sa taas. Gulong.
সুন্দর ভাষাতে কথা বলি সুন্দরভাবে বলতে ভালো লাগে শুনতে ভালো লাগে তোমার কাছে বলতে ভালো লাগবে আর তোমার কাছে শুনতে ভালো লাগবে এই ধরনের একটা ভাষা ব্যবহার করবা যেহেতু গায়ে
I want to see the control.
ঠিক আছে
Will go up me.
Go open door in
Okay, I will
go
go.
up open door maybe inside the room
No problem. No.
ਪਾਪਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੋ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਈਆਂ ਨਾ
ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ
ਉੱਥੇ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਰ
Pupunta sa taas.
শুনলে তো বুঝে যাতে কি একটা ব্যাপার
Kasi tanong ko muna, pupunta tayo sa taas.
যে মানুষ শুনলে তো সরম এই সরম যাবো গান মানুষ দিয়ে তোমার দেবো আমার আছে তোমার মা বাবা আছে
Chay, no problem.
আর বাকি এলাকা তালি মেল
Tayo sa taas.
দরকার কি
No problem? I'm making video pare. Sa taas guys, oh. Ang dami, oh. Bidang kakapit ako, baka mahulog tayo. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Ah. Oh. Okay. KTM. Okay. Si KTM. Hey, what this KTM guys? Laki oh. Laki. It's only one cross bike? Only one? Only one cross bike for this one?
I don't know.
Okay. Where is the...
I just collect it.
What about this damage? The wheel is damaged. Where's the other wheel? How many pieces one? Only one?
Only one piece.
I guess binibinta baka 5B. Laki oh. Laki oh. It's damage no? Alright guys. Dito lang kayo kukunin natin to. Kursongada ko to. Yeah. Yung mga binibinta. Okay guys. How about your good name?
Love.
Love.
Yes.
Okay.
Baba.
Si Alin Baba. Oh yeah, this guy is a mechanic here in the battered bike. Okay. A good mechanic. Okay, my friend, thank you. Okay. Bye guys, thank you.